COOPESA, for those who fly higher. It is a proven fact that flying is the most efficient and safest means of transportation. But this security can only be guaranteed by well-maintained airplanes, a responsibility we have taken on over the years for the comfort of our clients. Our reliability and efficiency have made our business one of the leaders in the maintenance and repair of aircraft, which is reinforced by the constant training programs for the knowledge of our staff. We are licensed by the FAA in the United States and by the civil aviation authorities in Costa Rica, Panama, Mexico, Venezuela, Bermuda, Colombia, the EASA, formerly the JAA, and others. We service a combination of aircraft, such as Boeing 727, Boeing 737 Series DC-9, MD-80, DC-8, Airbus 320, and coming soon, the Boeing 757. We meet the needs of our clients with service of the highest quality and competitive prices. This, combined with our convenient geographic location in a country easily reached from any point on Earth, which has beautiful scenery and political stability,